Real estate has been very interesting since the lockdown. We expected market to crash, it did not. Rather, everybody was buying houses, everybody was buying plots, and the market went up. So what is the new trends you must study, what you must learn in 2021 to make sure that you don't do any wrong investments? This is very critical for all the people who have invested or are willing to invest. ये formulas और ये knowledge और जो data है ये हमारे पास कहाँ से आता है? So we do three things. One, we call up the best investors we have and we take their feedback. कि आपके portfolio में आपको और क्या चाहिए next year. Second thing we do is visit with all the major sales-driven developers of the city and we take information from them. We get this knowledge that what they are planning and what is the research they have done. And third and finally, we see government policies, we see what is the new trend in terms of infrastructure, in terms of area, how the policies will be affecting a particular city. इन तीन जगह से इंफॉर्मेशन को हम लेके स्टडी करके कैटर करके आपको प्रेडिक्शन बताते हैं what is to be done this year to make sure you become a champion real estate investor. So let's start with number one. Number one trend remains the same. Everybody is now investing in residential for self-consumption. इसका मतलब है हर बंदा अभी भी लगा हुआ है कि मेरे को बड़ा घर मिल जाए. 2 bedroom को 3 चाहिए, 3 को 4 चाहिए, 4 को चाहिए विला, विला को चाहिए फार्म हाउस, फार्म हाउस को चाहिए बड़ा फार्म हाउस. Everybody is still looking to buy a bigger house. COVID or not, they realized that they need to have a good life. They need to have space for their kids, space for elderlies, and also they need to have a very good community around them, the one they can interact with, at the same time maintain social distance from a lot of people. तो होम बाइंग में आपका फोकस रहना चाहिए सेल्फ यूज के लिए, बट आपको पता है कि अब सब बंदे अपने घरों के लिए देख रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटी है. इफ यू इन्वेस्ट इन अ टॉप लोकेशन, top safe developers, top popular areas, and if you enter at the right price, I'll again repeat, enter at the right price. बबल को स्टडी करते हुए उस प्राइस में एंटर करो जहां पे आपको अप्रिसिएशन मिल जाए. रेजिडेंशियल में रेंटल इनकम बहुत पुअर है इंडिया में, स्पेशली एनसीआर, बट अप्रिसिएशन बहुत अच्छी होती है. तो आपको ये चीज पता है, तो अगर आपने अच्छी लोकेशन अच्छे बिल्डर के साथ ठीक प्राइसेस में एंटर कर लिया तो आपको अप्रिसिएशन मिलेगी. और आपको पता है कि अभी भी लोग घर ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो आपको अच्छी एग्जिट भी मिल जाएगी. The top locations remains the same, popular areas where there are jobs, at the same time is not very populated, is not very surrounded by huge density. The popular areas in Gurgaon remains Golf Course Extension, Sohna Road, Southern Periphery Road and New Gurgaon. Also, you have to understand that buying a product, whether it's a new or old, it's all about prices. If you got lucratively happy with the sample flat or the club or the pool, or just got influenced by one of your friend who just bought it, that's not how investment works. You need to understand, you need to have the right advisor who can guide you. कौन सी लोकेशन में कौन सा प्रोडक्ट इस टाइम चीप है, लोकेशन अच्छी है, बिल्डर सेफ है, टाइमली डिलीवर हो जाएगा और आपको अप्रिसिएशन मिल जाएगी, और ऑन डिलीवरी होम बायर आपसे ले ही लेगा. सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सेकंड थिंग इज डेवलपर ड्रिवन सेल्स. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज डेवलपर्स काफी न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज लेकर आएंगे. देयर हैज बीन अ लॉट ऑफ चेंज इन पॉलिसीज. Deen Dayal is a new popular Yojana which is now launched in Haryana and other states. What is this? This is a refined, upgraded version for Housing for All scheme under Modi government, which wants everybody to have affordable houses. Now you can have a micro, very small community and a complex only in 5 acres. Earlier it used to be 50 acres. So now with so many new trends coming in, all the good developers will be launching new ideas, new opportunities, builder floors, plots, villas, everything. So they will be pushing the sales. That's a great trend because आपको पता है If you don't know anything, you can just invest in the new opportunities. But the hack here is three things. One, you need to have a popular, very safe builder who you can trust on delivery. The sentiments of under construction properties have always been challenged by some because of some non-delivery done by bad apples in the industry. But you need to understand a popular builder, a safe builder will drive and will take the bigger bite of the market. You need to enter in the right price. That's the second point, and that's very critical as well. Do not get influenced by the follow-up, by the pressure, do not get influenced by the sample flat, by the villa, by the club, or the luxury sales gallery. You need to understand prices is the main reason you are attracted and you buying a house, because you want appreciation all the time when the property will be ready. If you don't get appreciation, you will not get any profit from the home buyer when you want to sell it. So you need to understand pricing trend of that area. The formula, the research, the guidance, the advice you get from your knowledgeable advisor will be important here. If you don't see the price is justified, don't invest. The third thing is the payment plans. The payment plans is one of the comfort what developer can give to an investor. That you invest this much and the later we will take towards possession. Here he can give you confidence that he's serious about delivery. He can also give you great flexibility. You can buy multiple units and get bigger advantage of the pie. These are my three hacks to make sure you get the maximum ROIs from developers when buying under construction property. Trend number 3 is mixed land development. We have seen with the hybrid culture now introduced post-lockdown, where you spend some time at home, you spend some time at work, and the sink itself is so comfortable for you that this trend will remain. What is a mixed land development? Mixed land development is you have some commercial, some residential, some entertainment within your complex. It's very popular internationally, but now in India, in the major cities, is taking over. You will see a lot more developers like Raheja, M3M, Silverglades launching such development, and it's been very popular, it's been well accepted. So mixed land development should be on your checklist when doing the investment. Trend number 4, the popular area of investment for international and institutional and bigger investments will remain with commercial. Commercial is the only place where you can get a balance of appreciation and regular rental income. If it's cash flow you need to be investing in commercials. There are again 2 hacks here. One, do not get influenced by the popular schemes going on. You need to study the market, get the right price of that area, study numbers, and then invest into the project where you see appreciation happening. Your pricing should be very attractive. If the pricing is right, the appreciation will definitely come. Hack number 2, invest with builders who have a track record of maintaining and making the building beautiful post delivery. It's all about maintenance, it's all about leasing. Somebody who has a good experience and do take a pain of maintaining the property post delivery. If you can find these 2 projects, or you can just contact your advisor, comment below, I can help you with that, and we will guide you how you can do this investment and create a fantastic portfolio, get both appreciation and rental income. The 5th industry and the trend which we see as a potential now is organized warehousing. With e-commerce taking over traditional retail sales and the new hybrid of both offline and online, we see a lot of trend in warehousing. So all the popular e-commerce companies and also brands are investing in organized warehousing. So if you know a contact or your advisor, or you can just comment below, we will connect with you and guide you the top areas to invest and take full advantage of the trend which is warehousing. So these are the top 5 trends of 2021. Now please understand this. Knowing the trend is easy. It's all about action. How you take advantage of these trends. How you use your hacks advised by me to make sure you don't do any mistakes and you get the full idea and appreciation of your property. Number 1 rule remains the same for me, which is create rental, invest in properties. That's the lifelong trend. If you choose the right property which A produces cash and also gives you appreciation, that's the perfect balance, and no market, no amount of time, no crash can ever affect your portfolio. Do the leverage in the right risk and keep investing. You can never go wrong. I hope this has been helpful. Comment below and I will be happy to answer all your queries. No matter which area you are, I will be guiding you the top locations for you to invest. Thank you for watching. See you soon.